Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how to set up the bandwidth on your ACER Connect X6E. So basically, firstly you should open the ACER admin panel if you don't know how to do that. So watch our video about it, you can find it here on the right top corner of the screen. And then you should open Wi-Fi. And here you will see advanced settings, click OK, and here you will see 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, and we can select the bandwidth for both of them. And as you can see, in 2.4 GHz we can select 40 MHz or 20 MHz. On 5 GHz we should we have diapason from 20 to 160 MHz. What it means? So think of your Wi-Fi signal like a rod, and bandwidth is simply how many lanes that rod has. A wider rod, like 8 or 160, means more lanes, allowing more data to travel at once, giving you higher speeds. This is great for streaming 4K video, for example, fast downloads, or maybe even sometimes for online gaming, but a narrower rod, like 20 or 40, means fewer lanes, so the maximum speed is lower. So when to choose what? So for max speed, if you want the fastest possible internet, especially for data-heavy tasks, you will generally want a wider bandwidth, like 80 or 160 MHz. This is common in less crowded areas, or if your devices are close to the router. It helps solve issues like slow downloads or buffering videos. For stability and less interference, it's better to use smaller bandwidth. So imagine many rods packed into a small area like an apartment building, and wider channels are more likely to overlap and interface with your neighbor's network, leading to instability, slower speed, or even dropped connection. So in the cases, choosing a narrower bandwidth like 40 or even sometimes 20 MHz, if you use 2.4 GHz network. So this can fix problems with frequent disconnects or inconsistent performance. And of course, sometimes you can change these bandwidths just for device compatibilities, just because some older or less expensive devices might not support the widest channels like 160. And if your device can't connect to your 5 GHz network, you can try to reduce the bandwidth or just enable both networks, 2.4 and 5 GHz. For example, for older devices you can use 40 MHz or 20 MHz 2.4 GHz network, but for new devices and for devices that needs fast connection, you can use 5 GHz. So in this way, our router, our ACER X6E Connect, this is the best resolve, just because you can use two different frequency, two different bandwidth at the same time. That's it guys, hope this was helpful for you. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. If this video helps you, please support me, leave in a comment below. Bye, see you.